Hey, I'm Anthony with IEG Off-Road and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the different OEM bumper options and how you can accessorize them to work for you. Now, there are three different versions your Bronco could come with from the factory: the standard bumper, the capable bumper, and the modular bumper. First up, we have the standard bumper. The standard bumper is the default part for the Bronco base, big bend, outer banks, and wild track trim packages. Its intended use was more for city streets than trails. While it might not hold up as well out on the trails as a steel bumper would, the standard model does have a couple bells and whistles. It offers tow hooks on either side in case you need a flat tow, and fog lights for the big bend, outer banks, and wild track models, with the option to add your own fog lights for the base version. The standard bumper is the least aggressive looking out of the three factory options, and the profile of the bumper only allows it to stick out a few inches past the grille. It's perfect for a daily driver and can probably handle a camping trip in some dirt roads. But you'll definitely want to step up to one of the other factory options before any serious off-road excursions. Next, let's talk about the capable bumper. Both the Black Diamond and Badlands were originally equipped with the modular bumper by default, but in 2022, Ford switched the default bumper to the capable bumper. Since then, Ford has made the modular bumper an optional upgrade for all trim packages, but we'll get to that a little later. Let's focus on the capable bumper, which is kind of the best of both worlds. The capable bumper looks very similar to the standard bumper with its low profile design, but is constructed of powder coated steel with plastic guards on the ends and around the tow hook areas. The tow hooks sit up a touch higher than they do on the standard bumper, which makes them more accessible and gives it a more aggressive look. This bumper comes standard from the factory with LED fog lights. You also have the option of installing aftermarket fog lights if you desire. The capable bumper lives up to its name. It's able to handle the highways and the trails. One thing it does lack though is extra mounting points for additional accessories. That's moving into modular bumper territory, which was designed for greater functionality out on the trails. I would also like to mention any parts you're looking at on our website that say modular bumper will only work with the modular bumper. Finally, let's explore the modular bumper. The toughest and most versatile of the three bumpers is the modular bumper. This bumper came standard on the first editions, Black Diamond, and Badlands. But the good news is, it's pretty easy to upgrade to the modular bumper, whether that be through Ford or on your own. The modular bumper is constructed of heavy-duty powder-coated steel and has the strength and surface area to accommodate a winch, a bull bar, or any countless accessory made specifically for this bumper. It sits a few inches in front of the grille, which creates more space for accessory mounting points, as well as providing a bit more protection for the front end of the vehicle. Because the modular bumper has so many features and potential configurations, let's just keep going. Just like the standard and capable bumper, the modular bumper has tow hooks, but they're considerably more substantial and feature a pass-through that is large enough to allow more recovery gear options. In fact, this bumper gives you a ton of options all around, like removable end caps for more tire space and greater articulation to move over bigger obstacles. Or leave the end caps on and add some fog lights or turn signals. As if that weren't enough, the modular bumper has a bash plate that can be upgraded, and it also has the ability to support an optional brush guard. So if you're serious about off-roading, rock crawling, or just want that really aggressive look, the modular bumper gives you tons of options to customize your rig to suit your preference. That's it for today's video on the difference between the base, capable, and modular bumper. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you guys in the next video.